What's up, guys? Bit of a state of the Arvo fucking thing. Gonna tighten the wheel bearings on my G Patrol. I've just unbolted the hub. Pretty fucking simple, pretty self-explanatory. Now I'm gonna get whatever the fuck this shit is off. Got a little C-clip at the front here. Busky. See, that's your C-clip. Get somewhere clean, or don't. I don't really care. I'll probably put it back in your hub actually. Probably be a better idea. There's your hub. There's my hub. Let's do it there. Now, you should just be able to grab these things out, but they're covered in grease. So, on two grips, busky, like that. That's what your hub locks into to engage. Just sit that up there. Not too bad. Got a bit of water in it, but it's just pretty good. The seal's only just gone off. Oh, I'll take a rag. Why wouldn't you? Star screwdriver. Should have 2 screws. Depending on how deadly they are. They shouldn't be that loose, that's for sure. Just pop that up there. Put another screw here. Fuck, they're loose. That's your screw. Should have 2 screws. There's a sleeve in here. I'm not too sure if that's manuals or whatever, but I'm pretty sure it's just a ring left from an auto conversion, auto lock and hub. No, I'm just making a video. So I'm bored. Just fucking. That is your locking plate. Oh, fucking woman. I'm sure you're supposed to do this with the wheel on, but bugger it. Just put that in here. Give it a little. Because there's a fuck all player, but still playing it. I'm going to grab my ring, see if it lines up at all on that end. Probably won't, because why would it? Maybe. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Grab one of these screws. Stick it on there. No. Oh. That's no fun. You're gonna have to. I'm sure there's an easy way to do this, but I do not have a clue. Just keep hammering it. I'm sure there's probably a special tool for this too. But hey, not everyone has a special tool, so. Ooh, there we go. I think that's a screw hole. There you go. Just be careful not to strip them out, because it'd be very inconvenient. There you go, that one's there. be someone out there saying, keep them clean, don't use a rag, you just put it on the ground or whatever. But Sound Control should be right, eh? Reliability. Grab my ring. Give that a bit of a clean up. I'm sure there's a center punk tool or something you can use for this, but I'm not too fussed. Oh, just like that, just sinks straight in there. That's my old gasket. Probably should have peeled that off before I did that. That's that. So we got this. I'm gonna grab Wheel bearing grease, good shit. For wheel bearings, even better. By all means, I have no clue what I'm doing. Put a bit of grease in there, why not? If you're moving an apartment, it gets hot, grease might help. Grease also might not help. And around in there. Just a little bit. And it's better than the grease that was in there anyways. Push that on, beautiful. Give that a lot. Clean up your deadly mechanical, right? I mean, fucking glove you've got on. And don't push your CV back in. Like a silly bugger. And don't drop it either. Oh, now I just put the shit in there, so she'll be right. Check it. I can see I can still get me C-clip back on there. Give that a bit of a clean up. Grab your deadly C-clip pliers, because you're fucked usually if you don't have them. Ah, so inconvenient. Yeah, C-clips in. Give it a tap, because I've had problems with these C-clips coming off because they're not on properly. Got your hub. Got a bit of yucky shit in there. On the Team Major. Grease is still blue. But okay, cycle that hub a bit. Busky. Busky. Yeah, a bit cleaner. Oh, get your silicone, you fucking whatever you want to use to seal it on. Comes out, that is. There we go. Dusting shit off. You're supposed to mark these two before you pull them off, so they just go straight back on. Like so. Busky, busky, busky. Don't you just hate that? And I don't want to go in. Oh no, I hate it. That's how I line them, just like that. You're probably supposed to put your wheel on and shit to test them, but where's the fun in that though? Where's the challenge? Plus, my brakes are seized on anyway, so I wouldn't be able to tell the difference besides the actual play on the wheel. Because who needs brakes? And why do you need brakes if they're already seized on? So. Yeah, by all means, this is not showing you how to do it. This is a rough idea in case you're on the side of the road or some bullshit like that. Or you just want to waste your weekend away and talk on the spec. Just I try to go around the star pattern because it's fucking just like you wouldn't a tyre really. Hand tight, tap on. No, that's no fun. Yeah, I'll get my multi-grips and cycle my hub a little bit. Yeah, no, these hubs were never loose to begin with though, so I always take multi-grips when I'm forward driving. And yeah, that's how you tighten your wheel bearing, or something like that at least.